Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. So I got 3 more sticker books and I thought it was only fitting to share it with you guys. So I got sticker books from Kellofaplan. So I have seasonal monthlies, I have fall icons, and fall florals. Since fall is coming up, I thought these would be good to share. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the seasonal monthlies, which I have the floral monthlies from her and I thought they were great. So you have some monthly boxes, some bullet points which are great, more monthly boxes which are just colored, and then you have all of these smaller decorations which I really like because they really do fit in a monthly. Then we have, I'm assuming that's February for Valentine's Day. And then March, maybe, or spring. April or May, I think. Maybe June. And then some decorations. Okay. I'm assuming that's July. August. Yep, that looks very tropical. Maybe September, let's see. October. Yep. Alright, so this could be October actually because of Halloween. And we have November and December. So yeah, these are very, very cool. So they give you lots of functioning boxes for monthlies, which I like. And then second one, so this one is fall icons. So it's going to be very themed. So bear with me. Let's go through this. So yellow, purples, oranges. And then you have these fall images of coffee, pumpkin spice, a little house. And then these large boxes, which I love for journaling. And then you have some images on clear sticker paper. They're dark, so they remind you of fall. You have pumpkin spice. More of different images on clear backing. And you have blue, orange, yellow, green, and mustard. Very unusual fall colors, but this is very pretty yet again. So some pumpkins, you have some food. And then you have, look at this, this is lovely, some florals, outfits, and so on. Then we have pastels. So very pastel. Oh, I like this one. So it's like black and white. Beautiful. Okay. Some boxes, and then you have clear images. When I saw this in this book, when she was flipping through, I knew I needed to get it. And then you have grays, reds, and oranges. And I thought that was an interesting color combo as well. Look at this decoration for sidebar. And I thought that was fun as well. And then you have sunflowers and pumpkins. All of these images are a little bit darker than I like, but that's okay. And then Halloween. It's a cute Halloween ensemble. So cute. Very like fun and whimsical. And then we have navies, gray, and oranges. And I thought that's a pretty color combo as well. Very unusual, but very pretty. So cute with the dog. Okay. So that's the fall icons in case you wanted to get it for yourself. And let's go through the last one, which is Fall Florals Volume 2. I have the first one as well. I used it here and there. So let's go through this. So you have greens, yellows, these like gray blues and maroon, and then all of these like fall sunflower roses. These are beautiful. You can use them in the summer too. Look how pretty they are. They're beautiful. So you get multiple pages of clear stickers. Then you have some pumpkins on a lighter background. Look how cute they are. Okay, and then we have some pumpkin florals. Very, very pretty. And then blues, mustard, and dark reds. And then again, some clear pages. And then you have this like olive green with yellow with some pastel blues, which I really think that works well. And then you have some of these images. Okay, and then that's the last page. So those are the 3 books that I newly acquired. So it's the Fall Florals Volume 2, Fall Icons, and then Seasonal Monthly by Kellofaplan. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down below if you have purchased any of these books and if you like them. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!